Hi, Deadlock's here again, and as I discussed yesterday, these handcuffs no longer have any keyholes. Now you could say I could just undo those Allen head screws and I'd have keyholes again. But I'm going to put them facing me so I can't get to them. And the other side has bolts that are countersunk in, so there's nothing I can actually do with them. I can still get to the double locks though, and I will be putting them on. So here we go, and double locked, and double locked. There we go. So in theory, no way out.
In theory.
In theory.
Unless Mrs. Deadlock decides to be nice and let you out. But, nah. That
Yeah.
sounds like effort.
Well, that is double lock removed. And left cuff escaped. Double lock removed. And escaped. Now, I'm going to put a link in the description to a video showing how I did that. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!